What game were you guys playing?
Truth and Dare.
Hiya, the beauty is morning.
We all gonna burn. Come on, guys, move.
Guys, anyone want cookies?
Cookies? Yeah.
Cookies?
No, you can cut it.
Just say happy birthday. Why just take one?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Michael. Happy birthday to you.
Just cut.
Cheers to many more years of
Yeah.
joy, fulfillment, love, and more studies.
Many more to come.
Then more to come.
It's his birthday.
It's okay.
We'll sniff it. We'll not eat it.
So thank you guys. Thank you guys. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Yeah. You've made my day.
That's all we were looking for.
I appreciate it. Yeah. Thank you.
I tell you, this chocolate cake, nobody's gonna eat
The cakes.
Yeah. What game were you guys playing?
Truth and Dare. I mentioned beforehand, so maintain the boundaries.
He's asking the question.
Anyone can.
Yeah, you just
Anyone can.
I thought you can ask me a question.
No, we can do. First thing, you rotate the pen and it's pointed out now. So once you can ask the question, then she will tell the answer or something. Then she will rotate the pen and the person she can ask the question.
That's a good idea. So, Gia asked now.
So Gia, you can continue.
She's asking me the question.
Yeah. Then you can ask the next time.
क्या पूछूं पाकिस्तानी है बता दो उर्दू ही बता दो क्या पूछूं
Don't speak in Pakistani.
Translate, please.
Everyone will speak English.
Okay, so
Quick.
Ask.
tell us one good thing that you like about our whole batch.
Our whole batch. I think people are helpful and friendly, and also everyone is not taking everything very seriously, like we are like book readers or something. Yeah, that's
We have Shreya.
I asked him.
Yes.
Truth or dare? He has to chair.
Sorry?
Truth or dare?
You have to select truth or dare. If it is truth, then she will ask a question. You have to tell the truth answer.
Yeah, truth.
Truth.
Yeah.
So, what is your biggest cultural shock when you came here in the UK?
Yeah, biggest cultural shock. I don't feel actually cultural shock in this country, but I always
what are you supposed to be saying? Like you are a living shock or something?
That is
yeah, living shock.
I don't feel.
your expectation versus the reality.
I know the reality in the UK. I
Just
follow the lot of YouTube channel inside the UK. Students are talking about their job related questions. Yeah. So I ready. I already ready to this shock. So I don't feel the shock.
Yeah, he
actually.
prepared himself.
Okay, move it.
Yeah, you have to rotate it.
Keep this monster away.
Michael!
Oh my God.
Ask him to.
Yeah, truth.
So you can ask a question. You can ask any question from Michael.
Michael. Yeah, you can ask. You can
No,
ask.
you can ask anything.
Any question?
Any question.
question,
Yeah,
any
yeah,
question.
any question.
Yeah.
Ask him about his crush.
Yeah. Do you have a girlfriend? And if
Yeah, complete. Yeah, if yes,
class.
if
Oh,
yes,
class.
yeah.
Oh yeah.
I just ask how many. See, I'm so innovative.
Michael,
Discounted.
Michael.
Discounted.
don't make us shock.
How many? How many? Just tell us the number.
How many crabs?
Okay, so far.
So far?
Two.
Yeah.
Two is a decent number.
Yeah.
Two is still in limits. Two
Yeah.
crush. Yeah. Two is still in
If
limits.
you got another chance, I will ask who are
You are going too far. Too far. Just spin it.
Okay, so it's okay.
The next.
It's your turn to
Next one.
Okay.
You have to rotate it.
Where
Good,
is
you didn't
Safin?
ask.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's
hard
ask
question.
a question. Truth or dare?
Truth or dare?
Ask her. Jeffrey,
Truth or dare? Dare. Ask to dance.
No.
Ask to dance.
Ooh.
Don't go beyond the boundaries.
I need to give her a dare.
There.
Dare. Just give a dare.
You need tip?
Yeah, I'm thinking of something which is
No, you can ask thinking of
respectful and
whatever.
yeah, but challenging for her. Can you jump here?
Okay, so far.
Okay, he will ask himself.
It's too clear.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Just ask. It doesn't.
Okay, so far, which lecture annoyed you the most?
Which lecturer annoyed me the most?
That is truth. That is truth. That is truth. That is truth.
I take there.
He take dare. Dare means any task to her.
Give me a task.
Oh,
Give her a task. Anything.
Okay, go out and come here in 30 seconds.
okay. Dance,
Come in 30
dance,
seconds. Yeah,
dance,
that's your
dance, that,
Without standing.
yeah.
Without standing. By sitting, you have to
No, there was
And
a
I'll
name.
set
There was a name of a
timer.
dance you
I'm setting a
mentioned.
timer.
Punjabi dance.
Yeah, pajama dance. Yeah.
It's too much. You guys are going out
No,
for
he's asking to sit and just
No,
dance.
not even this one. It could be a group one, but not the
Girl,
solo.
just choose the dare I gave you.
30 seconds.
I'm
Let me
setting
put
the
the
timer.
timer.
You need to
Let
be
me
here
put the
at
timer as
30th
Ask her
second.
to sing.
Just a second.
Ooh. Not bad.
That would be the next.
Set the timer, go out and come back in 30
I
seconds.
have to go out and then come back.
Come back in 30
Or I
seconds.
can go this way out and
Choose your way.
This is easy.
Just to
I wish
go
it
out
was
the
true.
doors and come back in 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Put your phone should be here.
My phone should be with me. You put the timer.
Okay. Start.
She can't come from here, by the way. She has to go all the way around.
She didn't go back. No, she didn't go all the way around. No, you didn't go out. But yes, still it's good. 15.
Okay, rotate.
She still did it, so it's good.
Yeah,
It's good.
I'm a daring girl.
Rotate.
Javeria, do it. Don't.
I believe this is Hasilu's turn. No,
It's tie. It's tie. It's Hasin. Do it enough.
Hasin.
Let me trace.
Hasin.
What was the point? I'm tracing.
Yeah.
Truth or dare?
Yeah.
Just a
Truth or dare?
But it's point, isn't pointer?
No, it's
Yeah, it is pointing on you.
Yeah.
Sanajan.
it's pointing.
select truth macha.
It is. This the universe is giving signs. Truth or dare.
Whatever you like.
You have to choose. Select
You
truth
can
macha.
select
Select truth.
truth or
Dare,
dare.
don't.
Truth. Sound again will last question. What sound again? I think then.
Tell me her name. Tell me her name.
Ritika.
Yeah, you can.
Who knows?
Who knows?
Spin it and what happened?
No, it's on Michael again.
Michael again.
You guys are
No,
not
no, no.
doing it correctly. I'll do it.
The mixture. Okay, Ruchi.
I'm gonna ask.
Hasin will
I
ask.
cannot do it here, but I can do the truth.
Hasin, you can ask Ruchi.
May I ask you? Question no, go now.
Truth or dare? Truth. Okay, ask a question.
I
Misa.
can't do it here.
I don't know what to ask. I know.
Ask me when I'm a girl.
I know. She said I don't know what to ask. I know.
Who is Salman? She said I had Salman. Who is Salman?
Salman is a very good friend who helped me
Salman Khan is
yesterday
a
to
very
board
good
my
friend.
train. That's it.
Hasindu, ask a question.
Yeah, after that.
Who is
That's all?
Salman? Was that actually the
I
question?
was just
Yeah.
She was
Okay.
kidding.
No, that's a good question.
She said I have.
Yes, you.
Huda.
Nayab is done, so we have to follow the other one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Truth.
Okay. Who out of all of us do you like the most?
Oh, it's very difficult question. It's out of boundaries.
No, you don't ask like that.
Everyone.
I like everyone.
Everyone is the safest choice.
Yeah. I know because everyone has.
See, I'll tell you, I'm the best. So you need to choose the second one. Whenever I'm in a gathering, I'm like, I'm the best. You need to choose the second person who is the best. Who can be my competitor.
I think we click in so many things. Yeah, we click in so many things. It's like
No, I won't be a comment. Like everyone
everyone is very special.
Yeah, everyone is special because she might be special because at the earliest time, both of them deal a project and they became
I think
early
I'm
friends.
just kidding. Someone put us together somehow and they started to.
Okay.
Only one person is left. Let's
So, how much you love your and you miss your hobby?
Hobby or wife?
Why?
I miss so much because she around it's
Gotta cry now.
no. It's around 4 years love. So she sacrificed a lot of things to me, but even I didn't spend a whole day for her. So until these 4 years, we met only few times. So even after the marriage, within 1 month, I came here, and still we continue loving the video calls only. So I'm miss. I can't explain that words.
Give us the percentage.
Percentage. It's out of 100.
It should be 1,000.
It's 1 by 0.
So if they ask you, they give you, for example, I continue. If they give you a chance to settle in this country, okay, to have to choose to settle in this country for a good 3 years, then to bring her, you will accept or you'll go?
I choose the second option. I plan to go to my country to live with them. Yeah, because
Bless you.
there are within a few years, like between a small period of age, we have to live our life. Maybe I can earn more in these 3 years. Then my age will go around 35. After that one, she also come to an age like both of us will come to a point we have to live. That's the only thing. There's no wish or there's no love. Just a male and a female. Just our future generation only. It's for some others, not for us. So before that point, we have to. That's called a breaking point. So before that breaking point, we have to start our life. Otherwise,
Oh, that's so good.
Sanajan, so
You guys are now interviewing. Yes.
so I mean, what advice do you have for people who are not married yet?
what?
Advice for singles?
Yeah.
Yeah. Any advice for singles?
Any advice?
Yeah.
Get married soon.
Yeah.
That's the advice.
We have two crushes.
Sorry.
How old are you now?
I'm 28.
You're 28. And how old is she?
24.
24.
Wow, that's amazing.
So actually,
that's a good age,
if it is an advice for
Anyone
singles,
from 1998?
I'm also the person who passed
No,
around
I-
3 to 4 love stories. So this is my 4th love story. So that was become successful, and
You are documenting that
Yeah.
that's your 4th love.
yeah, she knows that well.
Amazing.
I'm just kidding.
So when I tell my love to her, she accepts my past, and then she okay with me because I tell the truth to her. So that's why she inspired, and she said okay, and we can live together.
Just
So
cancel
that-
the last 3.
Yeah, last day that it's a passing cloud.
Just delete them.
So for the
Automatically, delete it automatically.
If they are deleted, then 4th one should be fine. Yeah. Just delete that.
for the singles, I also during my undergraduate program I was in my hostel. So most of my friends have their lovers and they always talking with their lovers in phone, and me and my roommates always staring at them and just walking away. We just thought whoever comes to love us. So. And if you hurry to find your lover, then it won't be a successful thing. So it's like a bonding. So two soulmates have to understand each other, and the chemistry should work.
Yeah.
Then
Chemistry.
Yeah.
more important than
Yeah, more important. Then
geography or history.
So if you mix two chemicals in
Let's find us.
two restricted chemicals,
Burn the
right?
fire here, huh?
Yeah,
Two,
now we are
two
finding a
restricted.
salt.
For example, if you mix two different chemicals, it might be burn, or it might explode, or it might give some good product. So it depends on you.
It's all physics.
It's chemistry.
There is physics and maths.
We have more people to join us.
Boy.
Okay, Boye.
Yeah, rough name.
Tohib, come this way.
Nice.
Okay, so we're gonna rotate whosoever.
No, I have to.
Yeah, I'm just explaining. Okay, so you four have whosoever direct towards this one have to choose truth or dare. So it could be anything. So choose wisely. Choose wisely. No, it was in Michael. This one. Let me make yours.
Yeah, it was Sinjan.
So who gonna ask Peace a question?
It's me.
Is it truth or dare? Truth. Actually, cannot forget that truth.
She was the only one who did the dare. She had to run.
You want to choose truth or dare?
Truth.
Ask her the question.
Michael gone. The birthday boy.
Just ask the number. Anna, let the birthday boy.
Just ask the number.
Ask. No, we can ask name as well.
It's more safe.
She won't mind.
How many crushes do you have until now?
Crush.
Crush.
How many crushes you have?
In the class.
In the class?
Don't include the class.
Okay, that's a separate process.
Being here only 6 months and she crushed everybody.
So, how many crushes do you have?
Uncountable.
She cannot count it. Okay, next. Okay, you can rotate. Great.
These three.
Tohib! You have to ask. Truth or dare?
Are you the one asking questions?
She will ask. You wanna? No. She will ask you. You wanna choose truth or dare?
Alright, go ahead.
Truth or dare?
Truth. Ask him a question.
Ask a question. A good question.
Good question.
Peace.
So something is there.
Please give some.
You can use this chance to get some information.
Anna.
What information you want? Please don't ask. Simple question.
We're not gonna give you a medical formula.
Birthday boy. Truthfully rate him.
Rate the birthday boy. Ooh.
Out of 10.
Out of 10, because no one is perfect, I'll give you 8.
Good one.
That's good. That's a nice answer. Nice.
So now it's your turn to rotate the pen. There you go.
That's nice.
You can ask him.
You have to
Truth
ask
or
the
dare?
question now.
You can ask him anything. Anything.
Boy, we can class.
Then we go. You have to go class.
Oh yeah.
Ask him.
Outside of what?
Is ethnic group.
Yeah, tribal country.
Very out of his
Go for love or tradition.
So you can ask Alan. He's the final person.
Yeah.
So,
What did he answer? He will, huh?
truth or dare?
He can marry out of his country.
Ask something very spicy or crispy. I would love to. What is spicy and crispy?
Need to extract all the spicy information.
Yeah, time's going.
How many girlfriends he has?
Shoot on there. Shoot on
Just
there.
one. Do you have?
Just one.
Just one question.
Okay, guys, let's go.
I feel like he's lying.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
What a fun time. What a fun
A picture, a selfie.
Guys, we take a photo.
It was fun. Have it.
Guys,
It's for you guys. Peace.
Yeah, thank you.
No problem.
Guys, we take a photo, all of us.
yeah, photo, yeah.
It's Colombia, it's called resource. So this is where we will start to allocate our resources, and before that you need to create your resource sheet. However, before that, what does a resource mean? Resource can be people, yeah, human resource, right? It could be equipment, and it could be supplies.
We all gonna burn. Come on, guys, move. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole.
Is that what?
On the path. Wait, on the path.
Okay. Is it a drill or something? I mean, not drill. Why the man they say me we go park?
Park?
They point him to go that side. That's the drill. That's the drill. Wait, say cheese.
That's just to do. Then just do it.
I don't know before. Then you can see the fact that the video really they won. I mean, a drill. Sorry.
But